Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot, and that is, can I use my Monzo card in Africa? I'm going to be answering this question in detail, so make sure you stick around until the end. But first, let's start with a question. Have you ever been to Africa? If you have, then you know that it's a beautiful and diverse continent. But it's also a continent that can be difficult to navigate, especially when it comes to money. That's why I'm so glad that Monzo has started to expand its services to Africa. Now, you can use your Monzo card to make payments in over 50 countries across the continent. But before we get into the details of how to use your Monzo card in Africa, let's talk a little bit about the company itself. Monzo is a UK-based challenger bank that offers a range of banking services, including current accounts, debit cards, and overdrafts. The company has been growing rapidly in recent years, and it now has over 5 million customers worldwide. One of the things that makes Monzo so popular is its commitment to making banking easy and accessible. The company's app is very user-friendly, and it offers a number of features that make it easy to manage your money. So, now that we know a little bit about Monzo, let's get back to the question of how to use your Monzo card in Africa. There are a few things that you need to know before you can start using your Monzo card in Africa. First, you need to make sure that your card is activated for international use. You can do this by logging into your Monzo app and going to the Settings tab. Once you've activated your card, you'll need to make sure that you have enough money on it to cover your expenses. You can check your balance in the Monzo app. Finally, you'll need to make sure that you're aware of the exchange rates. Monzo uses a mid-market exchange rate, which is generally better than the rates that you'll get at a bank or ATM. Once you've taken care of these things, you're ready to start using your Monzo card in Africa. Here are a few tips. Use your card at ATMs. This is a safe and convenient way to get cash. Pay for things with your card. You can use your Monzo card to pay for things at stores, restaurants, and hotels. Set up direct debits. This is a great way to pay for recurring bills, such as rent or utilities. Use the Monzo app to track your spending. This will help you to stay on top of your budget. Using your Monzo card in Africa is a great way to save money and stay organized. By following the tips in this video, you can make sure that your experience is a positive one. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And that's it for today's video on how to use your Monzo card in Africa. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.